to another video. So today I want to talk about bentonite clay. I know a lot of people do not know what it is, how to use it. That's why I'm here. I'm gonna show you guys how to use it, when to use it, why you should use it, what else. If you want to know something else about it, let me know. So this is my first time trying this, guys, and I am impressed. At first I saw a lot of YouTubers, bentonite clay, white clay, and I was like, I am in South Africa. We don't have all of this and this and this. Oh, I don't know where to get it, right? So I saw this brand. I'm gonna insert that. I'm gonna show you guys once I make it. I saw this brand and it said bentonite clay, and I was like, this thing doesn't say 100%. It doesn't say original, whatever it's supposed to say. It doesn't state anything. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try it. Let's see. So I did that for y'all. This is what I got. So please try it because I went all out, girl. So yes, so I bought it and I was like, I'm gonna try this. So I searched how to make it in. So I made it for us, right? And I put it on my hair and all I can say is yes. So guys, I'm not wearing anything. There's only a leave-in conditioner on my hair, right? It's a Anjeki's, and I love it also. I'm gonna talk about that in another video. So sorry. So look how defined my hair looks, guys. You know, last time in the other video I had product on and this is how it looked. Now I'm not wearing no curler or whatever. It's not a lot, but it's a lot for me. I love it. My hair feels light, it's clean, it's moisturized. Guys, I'm not joking. So the benefits of the bentonite clay, right? So if you have a lot of buildup and you are trying to get rid of that without stripping all the moisture from your hair, so there are shampoos that can do that for you. But I don't know. I haven't found one where, or maybe I haven't tried because I'm still new, right? I'm still new in the game. So I searched this and I was like, okay, because I'm trying to go is organic or something that won't be too harsh on my hair because I have very dry hair, guys, and I don't want to strip moisture out of my hair. I don't want that. So I thought the clay would be best for me as an individual. So I bought the clay, made the mixture, and I put it on. So yeah, my hair is soft. My hair is clean. My hair feels moisturized. Guys, I can't stop talking about this. I just did this last night and this is it today. Okay, let me read to you guys. So it says that if you have a flaky scalp, it will definitely help with that. Please try it, test it, let me know. I don't have a flaky scalp, so I can't vouch for that and say, oh yes, it works. So those who got a problem, girl, please comment down below. Guys as well, comment down below and let me know if it works, how it works, and so that the next person can know, right? Because we're here to learn, we're here to grow, right? Okay, then it also encourages hair growth, it moisturizes, conditions, softens, and reduces frizz, girl. I mean, please try it. I can't stop saying please try it because I want you to try it so that you can know I'm not joking, I'm not lying to you. Yeah, so yeah, like I said, if you have buildup, if you have desert, please use it. So I'm not gonna use shampoo for a while now. What I'm gonna do is use this every second week, and then every week I'm just gonna, let's say this week I'm gonna co-wash. Okay, now I did this, right? Next week I'm gonna co-wash. The other week I'm gonna use the clay again, like that. I'm gonna rotate and then see in a 2-3 months how it looks, girl. Yeah, please try it. So guys, if you want to see how I made the clay, how I used it, yeah, what else, I hope I didn't forget anything because I didn't make like notes on what, right? When you can use it, obviously when you have, it does say you can use it every day, but guys, we don't want to use something every day because too much of anything is not so good, right? So I don't want to overdo it. I'm just gonna do this when I really want to cleanse my hair because it is a cleanser and it moisturizes. Do you guys hear that combo? It's just voila. So please try it and let me know what you think about it. So please guys, keep watching, please support, please like, and let's learn and grow together. Bye bye. So guys, here I have the apple cider vinegar with the mother. Please make sure that you get that one. Then I have the bentonite clay, which is from the Nature's Choice. You can use any measuring cup, a plastic spoon, some water, and then a plastic or glass bowl. So now I'm just going to throw in the clay, but I would advise you guys to throw in a little bit like less, like go maybe 1 scoop, 2 scoop, and then mix it and then keep eating until you get the amount that you are looking for, instead like what I did where you just throw in everything, because it's gonna take you a while to mix everything together. So there you see that I took 3 of those, let's say, scoops of water, and then you only gonna use 1 scoop of vinegar. So whatever it's, so it's 3 water and 1 vinegar, just so that the vinegar doesn't overpower the mixture. So 3 water, 1 apple cider vinegar. Then you're just going to mix, 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 and then you can keep adding water and apple cider vinegar until you get a nice and smooth paste. Hi guys, so here you can see that my hair is sectioned into 4. So now I'm just going to apply the product. I would advise you to work over a sink because it's kind of messy and you don't want this all over your kitchen or wherever. So in the bathroom, over the sink, please. So you're just going to go section by section, make the parts thin as possible so that you can get the clay distributed through all parts of your hair from your scalp. Your scalp is very important. So from your scalp down to the end of your hair, just put it there. Take your time, let it work, let it do its job. I honestly did not struggle at all. My clay wasn't too thick and not too thin, so it went on nice and smooth. You guys can see I just loved it. The clay, it just melted in my hair. Or I won't say melted, but I could see that it was doing its thing. So I loved it. I did not struggle, like I said. I just like it, guys. Please go ahead and try it and then let me know if you also like it. So let me finish up this process and then see at the end.